In the point measurement interface, we have a series of tools for measuring and drawing. It's this icon here. And if we click it, we can see the tool for drawing lines. We can have straight lines, polylines, rectangles, and broken or curved lines. For rectangles, we can create them either by taking the two opposite corners of the square, the base and the height, two midpoints and the center to draw the perimeter. Here is the center and the radius, and the construction of a circumference with 3 points. And this is 3 points for an arc. I'm going to quickly illustrate what it would be. To measure a line taking, for example, we can see the icon here. Click it. And I take a measurement. It has already saved the first point, and I'm going to measure the second point. And in this way, it has already made the measurement. Here we can see the line between L1 and L2 is already drawn. Next, I'm going to make a rectangle to draw what would be a column. I'm going to measure one of its corners. There it is. And then I'm going to measure the diametrically opposite corner. And now I've made the drawing of that rectangle. That would represent the column that I needed to measure. In this way, we can quickly digitize elements during our survey. Next, I'm going to measure a circumference by taking what would be the center and then the radius. I'm going to zoom out a bit so you can see where I'm going to save. It's going to be point L6. Measure and save. Then we need to confirm the circle radius. For example, I need it to be 1 meter and automatically around L6. I'll draw that circumference. And of course, later I can export this information to a DWG format and take these already drawn elements to software such as AutoCAD or Civil 3D to work on our drawings in the office. See you in the next video.